Hey guys, today we're gonna be building a Pikachu inspired budget gaming PC. So basically it's gonna be in a black and yellow color scheme with some new parts and some used parts. And this is gonna be one of the main components, a GTX 1650 4GB. Let's see if this is still valid in 2025 with a Ryzen 5 3500X. Yeah, and at the end of this video I'm gonna be including some benchmark, probably Fortnite and CS2 at the performance settings, and see how well these two components works in 2025. Alright, let's start building. First off, we got the motherboard. It's a ASUS Prime A520MK micro ATX motherboard. I've been using this a lot on my other PC builds, and it's pretty good. There's a CPU I bought from AliExpress, Ryzen 5 3500X, no bent pins. And for the RAM, we got some Corsair Vengeance DDR4, 8GB each, so a total of 16GB, clocked at 3600 MHz. And for SSD, I bought a used SSD. It's a Samsung 256GB SSD. And then we got some extensions from FormulaMod I bought from AliExpress. Here I got a spray painted AMD stock color. I painted it yellow. With a pre-installed thermal paste. This is going to be our PC case, a DUTZO C330TG RGB in black. Time to install the motherboard into the case. And for the power supply, we've got a used Cooler Master 500 watt with a 6-pin PCIe, which is honestly enough, since the GPU also only has a 6-pin, which is perfect for this budget build. Adding 750GB HDD, since 256GB won't be enough. And lastly, the GPU. And last but not least, to finish everything off, a little Funko Pop. There's a 3D Mark Time Spy benchmark, and the temps, we've got the GPU at 99% load, and the CPU at 99% load. It's a bit too hot, or not too hot, but it's under 80 degrees, so that's fine, since it's just a stock cooler. And also bought this dual band USB adapter, so the PC has Wi-Fi, since the motherboard doesn't come with Wi-Fi. I bought this cheap from AliExpress. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. So yeah, let's test some games.